3, 2, 1. Good night, wild animals. Published by Yo-Yo Books, Big Box Books, and Little Genius Books. 10 flamingos prance and play, still shiny and pink at the end of the day. 9 hippos wallow in the lake. They will swim once again when tomorrow they wake. 8 koalas gather for a game of snap, all looking forward to a well-deserved nap. 7 meerkats practice their yoga poses, breathing out through their mouths and in through their noses. 6 jaguars race to be the winner. Now they've had their fun, it's time for dinner. 5 zebras frolic on the plains. They tire themselves out playing games. 4 monkeys in the treetops get ready for bed, pulling their pajamas on over their head. 3 giraffes nuzzle and say goodnight. Sweet dreams, little one. Now turn off the light. 2 lions in their den purr and snore. They need their beauty sleep, that's for sure. 1 elephant gazes up at the moon. His fun-filled day has ended too soon. 1 moon and 10 stars have come out to play. Make sure you count them at the end of your day. Now all the wild animals rest their weary heads, curling up cozily in their beds. The end.